directions to do the assignment on objects. Open NetBeans. Click File, New Project. Choose Java, Java Application, click Next. Type the name of the project as rectangle. Browse it to your desktop or wherever you are planning to save your file, and then uncheck Create Main Class, click Finish. Then your rectangle class will be the file will be created. Now in the source packages, you can click on this button to create a new file, Java class, click Next. For the class name, type rectangle. Remember, the file name and the class name should be the same, and classes always start with capital letter. Click Finish. I am going to delete this, and the information given in class, copy that to the rectangle.java file. Click Save. I am going to go ahead and close all the files. Then I need another class, so I am going to click here, Java class, click Next. For the class name, I will type constructor. And then click Finish. And copy the information given in class for the constructor. And then click Save. So you will have two classes, rectangle.java and constructor.java. Click Run. Click on Set Main Project and choose rectangle. Then click Run Main Project. And the main class is constructor, click OK. If you did correctly without any errors, you will get this output. If not, you will get all kinds of red dots here, and you have to debug your code to make sure there is no errors. And then it will print your output. The box length is 5, the box's width is 15, and the box's area is 75. Now the next step is to create UML diagram. To do that, I am going to go ahead and File, close this project, close all projects. Then I am going to click File, New Project. Here I do not have the UML, so I need to first install the for the UML diagram. I need to install the software. So I am going to click Cancel, and then I am going to go to Tools, Plugins, and then in the available plugins, in the search box, I am going to type Easy, and then check this Easy UML and click Install, click Next, and then check this I accept the terms, click Install, and then click Continue, and then click Restart IDE, click Finish. That installs the UML plugin, the Unified Modeling Language plugin, and now the NetBeans is restarted. Now I am going to click File, New Project. Now I have the UML folder. I click UML and click UML Diagrams Project, click Next. For the project name, I am going to type UML Diagrams Rectangle, and then I am going to save it on the desktop. You can save it wherever you want on your jump drive. Click Finish, and now you get the Class Diagrams option. Right click, New Java Class, and for the file name, type rectangle, and then click Finish. Now you can select this and delete it, and copy the file that you have earlier created for the rectangle.java and paste it here, and then click Save. Then Again, right click on the class diagram, new Java class, and this time call it as constructor, and then click finish. Again, select this data, and the data that is given to you, you can copy it here for the constructor. Click save. Now the next step is I'm going to close all of these. I'm going to right click on rectangle.java and click on easy UML generate class diagram and click create class diagram. So if everything works correctly, you should see a UML diagram as shown. Similarly, for the constructor.java, I'll right click and click on easy UML generate create class diagram. So this is the class diagram. So you'll have two class diagrams, UML diagrams, one for the rectangle and one for the constructor. And then you're going to save this file. Then I'm going to go to File, Close All Projects. So I had saved both of my files on the desktop. I'm going to now allow my desktop to be shown. So I have here two files, rectangle and UML diagrams. So what I'm going to do is create a new folder and type your name, and then you can type the assignment number. So in this case, I'm going to call this as rectangle classwork 4, and I'm going to double click this folder and move the UML diagram and then the rectangle folder into this, and I'm going to close this. Now I have to zip it. I'm going to right click, send to compress zip folder, and now this is the file I'll submit on eLearn for my classwork on rectangle assignment, creating objects. This completes the demonstration of creating objects and submitting it on eLearn and doing UML diagrams.